I'm going to be doing a little video demonstration. So here we have a broken SCN door. As you can see, how it works on the inside. You see how it moves? It's not supposed to do that. And down here, we have some doors. Some more doors. If you guys are wondering where I'm at, I am at a Jay County game for my brother. Yeah, I'm just out here recording for not cloud, but just, you know. So, here's the demonstration on these. They're pretty good. Okay, and then I don't know if these are, yeah, those are locked. And right here, you have some more of these. Right here. And over here, we can't get to these, so we're just gonna skip over to the bathroom. And over here, we have a men's door. Hey, let me know what kind of brand these are. I don't know. I think it's like a Sergeant. I don't know. I'm not gonna do the women's because, you know. So let's go over here. And then down here, we have some more. So I'm gonna have to open these from the inside, as you can see. So yeah, that one has like a stuck handle. So excuse the noise. And then we have some more closers over here. So I can't do these classroom doors because I don't go here. So we're gonna do like the family bathroom. So here's the family bathroom. And then here it is, the magnet I got. It's pretty fast with the magnet. Well, not with the magnet, but with it itself. Okay. And then we have some more closers. It's like where like I showed you the two, like as we were coming down the hallway. And then there's two more. So let's just do these. And this door right here, that doesn't have a closer. I don't know what happened to it, but yet again, I don't go here, so I'm not gonna ask. Because you know why? It's not my business, so I'm not gonna ask. Okay, let's do this door. The door that's open. Let's do that one first. And then we'll do the rest of these. Okay. Oh, this one has to stay open. So then we'll do this one. And then we'll do this